Yo, what's up, YouTube? Look at XRP, man. I forgot I wanted to talk about this earlier because of that Ripple law, the lawsuit over here with XRP Ripple. They're over there giving the SEC a hard time. You know what I'm saying? And people say you don't want to play with them, but you don't want to play with nobody till they get played with, and you realize, you know what I'm saying? Somebody eventually got to take over. Like my mom used to always tell me when I was a kid, there's always going to be somebody bigger and hard, badder than you one day, eventually. You know what I'm saying? So this might be that day, not today, but you know what I'm saying? This might be that person. XRP might be the person to, you know what I'm saying? Give the SEC a run for their money. Let's do this because we're not going to do that breakout because it just broke out this last hour. Go over here to the bottom of this one right there on the hour chart. I went over this on my other video. As you can see, I drew some lines in here, and look, it hit the lines perfect almost. You know, it did not break that 236, and I believe I said if it don't break that and we don't get up here, that it will come back down. So you see, I started putting that over here, came back down over here. I put that it would, if it didn't hold right here, that it was going to come down, but it didn't. It hit this one. And then actually, if you were to get something like this and to keep coming down right here, them lines would have connected and pretty much, boom, that 50 EMA didn't really touch. As if I knew that was there, I would have stayed under it. And yeah, there goes that drop that I was talking about that it would go to, and it kept going under. And so here we are on the way back up, baby. On the way back up. Here we go now. Here we go now. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Top to the bottom, bottom to the top, top to the bottom real quick. Go to this bottom. Let's check it out. All right. So it looks like it was stopping right there, right before the 618. Let me see. I kind of want to. Okay. Nah, that's good right there. Yeah. See that point 0.5? It hit that point 0.5. It's going to come back down and test that point 0.5 one time before it takes off back up. If it comes back under there, it'll come back down to 118, I believe, but I doubt it. I believe we're going to come touch this 200 EMA if it does come back down. And then we're going to bounce back up. But yeah, if that don't hold and it comes back under here, yeah, we're going to come all the way back down to test this golden pocket one more time, get back in the channel and see what happens. But yeah, if the 6-6 holds, yeah, we're going to stay really bullish on it. Looking to see what the SEC holds for us. Go ahead and upload this video. Let me draw them lines in here for y'all real quick so I can remember whatever I was what I was talking about. So come back down here. If it holds, boom. You can look to coming back to the top of it. And if it goes under, you can look for, it's gonna do something like this. Hit that 50 EMA and either bounce at that 50 EMA, or if that breaks down, it's going to come back down and start channeling back in the channel. It'll come back down and test this one more time to give that triple bottom look almost. If not, if it does come down under there, then wow, you know, most likely more than just this is going to be dropping. But yeah, this would be the last chance to buy if it does come back down, I believe, because of how close those are. It won't actually come back down all the way to the bottom, what you think it would, but it might. It might. There y'all go. I'm gonna upload this so y'all can do what y'all want with it. You know, good luck. This is not financial advice. And comment and like the video. And let me know what y'all want to see, and I'll go ahead and upload that one next. Y'all have a great day.